Hi everyone! 반갑습니다. Today I'm going to give you cool tips on how to look up direction for places in Korea using Korean map app. It's called Naver map. With this map, you won't waste time walking around in circles trying to find a place. And the wonderful thing is that this app is also available in English. Google Map or iPhone Map is not the best map to use in Korea. It's not accurate and not up to date with traffic and small streets. So let me show you how to use Naver Map. Let's look up the direction from Hongik University Station to Gangnam Station. So type in your destination location, Gangnam Station. Gangnam Station. Line number 2. And this will be your 2. And type in your departure location here, or you can click current location, but I will change to Hongik University. Hongik University Station, line number 2. It will give you recommendation routes. There are 4 options. You can select from public transport, by car, by walking, and by cycling. The left one is by public transport, bus and subway, and most tourists will probably use Naver Map app for public transport. So once you click the public transport, you will come to this page, and there are 15 recommended routes, and its first recommendation is to get on the subway line 2, and it will tell you how many stations you will be passing by, 17 stops. And the second option is by car or taxi. It tells you how much time it will take, 22 minutes, and also tell you how much it will cost by taxi, 14,400, which is about $10 in USD. Now let's look up one of my favorite restaurants near Hongik University Station called Dining Lab. Dining Lab. It says only take 3 minutes by walking from Hongik University Station. So get off at exit number 3 and follow the direction to walk to your final destination here. You can also see the street view to see what the restaurant look like. And here is the dining lab. You can use this mapping app to explore Korea and plan the trip ahead. If you have any questions, please leave comments and I'll come back soon with my next video. 감사합니다.